working partner. Yes. To my other half.
Yes!
To my kalingap Jomar.
Yes!
Siyempre po, sa 2 years na pag-aalaga, magtitsaga, siyempre, most of all, sa love and care. At siyempre, sa mahabang pasensya. At sana kabaan mo pa. It's been 2 years of countless blessings, adventures, ups and downs, but we're still here. Thank you for being part of my life.